Hi everyone, welcome back to my another tutorial. Today we are going to review this. Behance is an online platform where you can showcase and discover your creative work. You can also use Behance as your portfolio. If you don't have any personal website to showcase your products or projects, then Behance is best for you and is completely free. If you are a designer, developer, video editor, animator, or visual artist, or etc., then this is the best place to show your creativity. Behance is the very best platform for freelancer and client. If you are a freelancer, then you can make a stunning portfolio by using Behance and achieve more jobs and contracts. Or if you are a client and need to complete your projects, then you can find world-best freelancer here. You can also use Behance as your inspiration. They are very creative. Let's see some projects on Behance. You can also learn from Behance. For that, you just need to go to this live section and then scroll down. Join anyone you like most. I click one, let's see. So we can learn from Behance also. This is Behance and thank you very much. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.